In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economic problems under International Economic Organization. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 50 questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, the World Trade Organization is responsible for we have ensuring equal participation of countries in trade, modernizing world economies, stabilizing and harmonizing oil prices, minimizing obstacles to international trade and investment. So the right answer is option D, which is minimizing obstacles to international trade and investment. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the Economic Commission for Africa was set up by we have UNO, ECOWAS, IMFS, OAU. So the right answer is option A, which is UNO. So this is part of the United Nations. Next question is this one. It says an important function of the World Bank is to encourage trade between members, provide long-term loans to members, provide short-term loans to members, promote capital-intensive production. The right answer is option B, which is provide long-term loans to members. Next question is this one. It says the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD) performs the following: granting long-term loans, reducing tariff among members, developing human resource, assisting with technical expertise. The right answer is option B, which is reducing tariff among members. Very important. The next question is this one. It says from which of the following does Nigeria derive trade concession? So we have EEC, we have World Bank, ADB, we have International Monetary Fund. So the right answer is option A, which is EEC. Alright, next question is this one. It says the loans from the World Bank to developing countries are mainly to support capital intensive technology. Option B, for the establishment of more universities, infrastructural investments. They are low level consumption. The right answer is option C, which is infrastructural investments. Okay, so the next question is this one. It says the main objective of World Trade Organization is to ensure adequate tariff protection for infant industry, help debtor nations solve their problems, help countries with chronic balance of payment problems, provide a mechanism for tariff reduction. The right answer is option D, which is to provide a mechanism for tariff reductions. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the organization whose aim is to solve the trade problems of less developed nations is we have UNCTAD, OECD, we have UNECA, World Trade Organization. The right answer is option A. Take note of this question, guys. UNCTAD. Okay. Next question is this one. It says the primary objective of all International Economic Organization is to promote international economic cooperation for mutual benefit of all members, encourage exports from the developed to the less developed countries, enforce structural adjustment programs on less developed countries, ensure that third world countries get a better share of the world's resources. The right answer is option A, which is to promote international economic cooperation for mutual benefit of all members. Next question is this one. It says the loans from the World Bank to developing countries are mainly to support, I think we have answered this question already, is to support their infrastructure investment. Option A. Okay, so the next question is this one. It says a country seeking loan for the correction of balance of payment problems will approach. The right answer is option C, guys, IMF, which is International Monetary Fund. Very important. The next question is this one. So guys, before I answer this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more this video. Really appreciate this. This question says the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development was established in a year. So take note is option A, 1944. Take note of this question. Next question is this one. It says the major purpose of African Development Bank is to educate peasant farmers in new techniques, provide loans for development banks in distress, provide loans for infrastructure development, provide loans for trade development. The right answer is option C, which is provide loans for infrastructural development. Next question is this one. It says one of the main achievements of Economic Commission for Africa is to encourage transport and communicating development, provide a machinery for collaboration on monetary issues, guaranteeing a steady flow of foreign investment into Africa, eliminating trade restriction among states. Right answer is option A, which is encouraging transport and communicating development. Next question is this one. It says the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is important to developing countries because it offers grants and aid to finance luxury projects, gives loans to member countries for legal proceedings, offer grants and aid for defense, offer loans to member countries for social and economic activities. Right answer is option D, which is offer loans to member countries for social economic activities. Next question is this one. It says the headquarters of the African Development Bank ADB was originally located in, so the right answer is option C, Lagos. Okay, very, very important. The next question is this one. It says one of the objectives of African Development Bank ADB is to promote economic and social development of member countries, provide technical assistance to only poor member countries, mobilize short-term loans for member countries, provide subsidies on imported goods to member countries. The right answer is option A, which is promote economic and social development of member countries. Next question is this one. The main objective of World Trade Organization is to have insurance equity protection for infant industries, assist developing countries to execute developmental projects, provide a mechanism for tariff reduction, assist countries with chronic balance of payment problems. The right answer is option C, which is to provide a mechanism for tariff reduction. The last question to end this video is this one. It says the borrowing rights of a member country of the International Monetary Fund are determined by real option A, the seriousness of the country's economic problems, the size of its gold reserve, its quota to the fund, its balance of payment positions. The right answer is option C, which is its quota to the fund. So guys, this is basically going to do problems under International Economic Organizations. Practice with 20, about 18 to 20 play questions for this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you're new to this channel, once more ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information that help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.